Ooh, a banana! What? Whee! Magic sneeze! Those bananas are mine! Yeah! Let go! Oh, my tail! In the middle of the sunny jungle lived Bobo the monkey. Bobo was famous for three things. Why don't monkeys play cards in the jungle? Too many cheetahs! Oh, that's a good one! Why did the monkey like the banana? Because it had a peel. Whoa! Peel! Why don't monkeys play cards in the jungle? Too many cheetahs! Whoa, slippery! Can't stop now! Why walk when you can swing, flip, and fall? Still got it! Why walk when you can swing, flip, and fall? Whoa, a glowing banana! It's wobbling too! This is so cool! Whoa, a glowing banana! It's wobbling too! This is so cool! Bananas don't usually wobble, so of course... Hey! Give my tail back! The jungle started sneezing too. Even the rocks went achoo. Slipped! Danced! The jungle became louder than a drum party.
What's happening?
Bobo sneezed again. Every stomp made bubbles come out of the ground. Animals were sliding everywhere. Old Tara the turtle slowly arrived.
Magic bananas cause silly chaos. They only stop when you say abracadabra, no more silly chaos. Magic bananas cause silly chaos. They only stop when you say... Magic bananas cause silly chaos. They only stop when you say, "Sorry, banana!"
You must say sorry for not sharing.
Oh.
Oops! The magic banana! But look, it's still funny.
He shared with everyone. Bananas! He shared with everyone. Then Tinku farted. From that day on, Bobo learned. Sharing makes things better.
Yay! So yummy!
Hee, glad you like it. Never eat glowing bananas. The jungle stayed silly but safe. The end.